Look, we gotta have a conversation, but first, we finna watch this video, cause just hold on. Ooh. Ooh.
I have to find him.
It's over, Virginia. It's over.
What the hell? Hey! You've got my son's car back here. I want to know why. You better have a damn good reason.
Go up in there.
The cops. Jesse. Oh, God. Hold on, I'm coming. Who the hell are you?
Maria Flores. I have help.
Wait, what are you telling him? Oh, whoa, Maria, whoa. That's her ability, bro. Wait, whoa. What the fuck? Bro, look, we gotta, hey, it's time to have that talk. Bro, I told y'all she was alive. Oh, she can't be alive. It wouldn't make sense for the story. On my mama, bro, I said Maria will be a playable character. Did I or did I not say that, bro? Bro. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm so excited, bro. I'm so excited, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm so excited. I told y'all she would be a playable character. I told y'all she's gonna be reunited with her sister, bro. Oh shit, Danny. Bro, Danny gonna be so fucking happy, bro. Oh my gosh, I told y'all she was alive. Bro, oh my gosh, bro. I told y'all she was alive, man. I told y'all she was alive, bro. No bullshit. Go back and look at my old videos. Maria's not going nowhere. She's not going nowhere, bro. Come on now. June 11th, we'll be there. We'll be there.